2023 Bolt EV hatchback will start at $26,595 for the 1LT trim, with the 2LT trim coming in at $29,795. That represents a $5,900 decline for each model versus 2022. The EUV, meanwhile, will start at $28,195 for the LT and $32,695 for the Premier, $6,300 less than the previous year. There are only a few other changes for the 2023 Bolt EV and EUV, the addition of a new extra cost paint color, Radiant Red tint coat, and a new Redline Edition appearance package for the EUV, seen in the top image. This now makes the Bolt the cheapest EV in America, undercutting the 2023 Nissan Leaf, which starts at $28,425. The Leaf does still qualify for federal tax credits, which dramatically drops the price, but Nissan is expected to hit the 200,000 vehicle cap later this year that General Motors already has. Production of the 2023 Bolt EV and Bolt EUV will start this summer, with vehicles arriving at dealerships soon after.